Hey guys, it's Ghost. Welcome back to another video. Now, you may have watched my live stream, or maybe you didn't, but there was a live stream that I was doing where I started recustomizing my very first doll repaint. This, by the way, is what she looked like, and yeah, she looked horrendous. And in the live stream, I removed her old repaint and then I gave her some new hair. It's quite lovely, it's very fluffy. And when I finished the live stream, I also put on some shoes and tights on her because they're very, very difficult to put on. So yeah, in this video, I'm going to be giving her a new face. I have this pair of earrings that I have but don't really wear, like they don't really match any of my outfits, so I'm gonna use these on her. I take some thick craft glue and put some on the earring and insert it into her ear. Then don't touch it, just leave it to dry. And I feel like that just adds an extra layer of personality and detail into her design. I shared this in a live stream as well, but this is the outfit that I chose for her. I don't remember what it's from. I believe it's one of those dolls that have two faces on it, and then you can like switch it around. One's a normal girl and the other one's like a vampire or a monster. Anyway, that doll line was basically a Monster High ripoff, and their clothes fit Monster High dolls, and I bought one of their fashion packs a while back, and this is what it's from. I also decided to give her a couple of bracelets that match her color palette. Whoops. Here's some bracelets from a basic Twyla, and this is a bracelet. I believe this one is from Ashlyn Ella. I don't know which line though. Finally, I'm just going to top it off with Honey Swamp's old hat. This one's a bit broken. I've had it for quite a while, and I think I accidentally stepped on it or something. But since her hair is really thick, this part not working isn't going to be too much of a problem. So now all there's left to do is to dress her up.